Welcome to Chapter 6, Results. Write your results with honesty and clarity. When writing the results section, your role is to present data truthfully, without exaggeration, manipulation, or selective reporting. Show what your data reveals, both strengths and weaknesses. Use clear tables and figures to let numbers speak for themselves. Avoid over-interpreting results. Save interpretations for the discussion section. Good results writing is straightforward, transparent, and objective. It earns the reader's trust and increases your paper's credibility. Results versus discussions. Know the difference. Be clear about the purpose of each section in your paper. Results equal reporting, equal objective. Focus on what happened, using facts and figures. Example: seeds exposed to the 2-day treatment had the highest cumulative germination, 84%. Discussions equal interpreting equal subjective. Focus on what it means, adding interpretation. Example: the results suggest that the optimal time for running water treatment is 2 days. Separate reporting from interpreting to keep your paper clear and professional. 2. Key reminders before writing your results. Before writing your results, remember, check your journal guidelines. Some journals separate results and discussion while others combine them. If separate, report facts only in results. Interpretations belong in discussion. Choose key results that directly answer your research questions. Present them in logical order. Include figures and tables with clear comments on what they show. Always report negative results. They offer important insights and improve the integrity of your study. A well-structured results section helps readers easily follow your research story. 3. Avoid these common mistakes in results writing. Good results writing focuses only on important findings. You don't need to report everything. Common mistakes to avoid: hiding contradictory results. Report them, as they may be valuable. Failing to support claims with evidence. Always add figures and tables to guide readers. Repeating data unnecessarily. Avoid writing out every number from your figures. Summarize the key message instead. A results section should be selective, visual, and clear, helping readers grasp your findings quickly. 4. Simple structure to write your results clearly. When presenting your results, follow the same order as your methods section. This makes your paper easier to follow. Your results should answer these 3 key questions. What did I find? Report your main findings. What did I not find? Highlight any expected outcomes that didn't occur. What unexpected findings emerged? Mention results that contradict your hypothesis or were surprising. This structure ensures your results are organized, transparent, and honest. 5. Expert tips on structuring your results. Maeve O'Connor, in her book Writing Successfully in Science, suggests this simple structure for results. Start with key findings that answer your main research question. Use figures, tables, etc., arranged in a logical order for easy reading. Add secondary findings, extra but useful observations. Include supporting information to clarify results. Discuss unexpected findings. Mention any anomalies and explain why they may have occurred. Following this flow keeps your results organized, clear, and engaging for readers. 6. The first strategy to start your results section. One effective way to begin your results is by giving a general description of your findings. Summarize key trends without repeating methodological details. You can use sentences like, overall, the results presented below show that. The 3 key results of this study are. The main themes identified were. This approach offers readers a quick overview before diving into specific details, making your writing clearer and more engaging. 7. The second approach, lead with figures or tables. Another common strategy to start your results section is to refer directly to your figures or tables. This helps guide readers visually from the beginning. For example, you can write, Figure 1 shows the mass spectra obtained. A total of 34 wheat genotypes, Table 1, were screened. Figures 1 through 3 show the differences between. This method is useful when your data is best understood visually, allowing readers to grasp your findings faster. 8. Use style flexibly in writing results. You can choose between personal style, we found, or impersonal style, it was found. Both are acceptable depending on the journal's guideline. Tip 1. Impersonal style often adds objectivity, allowing the results to stand out while keeping the author in the background. Tip 2. When discussing figures and tables, use active voice to make your writing more dynamic. Example, Figure 5 shows is clearer and more engaging than is shown in Figure 5. 9. Note for personal style. You are allowed to use we even if you are the sole author conducting the research. Personal style benefits. It makes writing feel less formal and more engaging, helping readers feel connected to your research process. Personal style creates a more enjoyable and digestible narrative. Important reminder. Always follow your journal's style guide to ensure consistency with publication standards. 10. Never hide your negative results. Why negative results matter? Negative results are not a waste of time. They provide a useful insight. The thing you were testing doesn't work. How to handle negative data. Avoid dismissing data as bad. They are still your results and require interpretation. Don't ignore contradictory findings. They can offer valuable understanding. Many breakthroughs come from understanding unexpected or negative outcomes. Always include them to present a balanced and honest analysis. 11. Use tenses correctly. Key rule for writing results. Results occurred before you wrote the paper, so use past simple tense. Mix active and passive voice depending on focus. How to choose. Active voice. Use when the subject is most important. Example, workers described. Passive voice. Use when the object or result is the main focus. Example, the model was seen. Tip, prioritize clarity and follow journal preferences. 12. Who did what? Clarify ownership of results. Ensure readers always know whose findings you are presenting. How to achieve this? Clearly refer to your own figures or tables to distinguish your findings from others. Use past simple tense to describe your findings. Example, we observed. Use present simple tense only for established scientific facts from the literature. Tip, clear attribution increases credibility and prevents misinterpretation. 13. Show the significance. Key point. Do not simply say your result is significant. Show how it is significant by providing sufficient information so the reader can see the importance themselves. Poor example, avoid. The large difference in mean size between population C and D is particularly interesting. Good example, use this. While the mean size generally varies among populations by only a few centimeters, the mean size in populations C and D differed by 25 centimeters. Two hypotheses could account for this. Summary tip. Focus on facts and comparisons, not vague adjectives like interesting, to make your results meaningful. 14. Figures. Help the readers. Key message: your writing must add value. Most readers will look at your figures and tables, often without reading the full text. Guidelines: make your writing worth reading. Don't just repeat what is obvious from figures or tables. Help the reader interpret the data. Provide context, meaning, or significance. Eliminate redundancy. Don't waste words restating what is already clear visually. Pro tip: strong figures with clear explanations can make your paper more impactful. Summary tip: focus on interpretation, not repetition. Figures show the data, your text explains its meaning. 15. Let them follow you. Key message: keep your writing clear and direct. Avoid lengthy and redundant phrases. Guidelines: eliminate redundancy. Don't start with phrases like, as can be seen in, or figure X shows. Be direct and specific. Guide your readers straight to the interpretation you want them to grasp. Example of ineffective writing: as can be seen in Figure 5, unnecessary and weak. Example of effective writing: the abundances of species A and B were inversely related, Figure 5. Clear, concise, and informative. Takeaway tip: guide readers by stating your conclusion clearly. Let the figure support your statement, not substitute it.